I've set up these laptops. This is my main gaming laptop. This is the ROG Strix Scar 3, running Nano Miner down the bottom there as well. This is stats basically is what I'm getting, and that's not from this. So I'm also running this one over here as well. So this ROG Strix is a 2070 that it's got. I've got a cooler underneath, and I've got a fan that's blowing into the side, so that way I don't basically increase my thermals. And you want to make sure that if you are thinking about mining on a laptop, I did this for an experiment because I thought, why not? I've got access to a couple other gaming laptops, and why not just test out this whole sort of process? Is it worth mining on a laptop, especially multiple laptops? Because I've seen this crazy stuff, people with running like dozens of like RTX laptops and just mining on these things. But yeah, I'm getting like 95, 100 mega hash on just 3 that I've got here. So this has got an i9, and it's running a RTX 2070 graphics card. Then I've got this thing over here. This is a HP Omen. Now this has got an i7 10th gen, and it's running on I think it's got an RTX 2060 3060 on this one, and then so this was running i7 10th gen with a 3060 RTX. And then over here I've got this Asus F15, and this is an i7 running with an RTX 3070. So the 3070 will give you the most in terms of hash rate. You've got 38, you may be pushing to 40 mega hash. Then obviously over here, not getting that much, I'm getting like 20 something odd. It might be running a 2060, I'm not sure it's 2060 or, but I think I'm on a safe bet because of the actual hash rate. I think it's running a 2060, not a 3060. And then obviously here I've got my main, this is the 2070 this has got, and this is running on mega hash. Let's have a look here. So this one has got 35. So yeah, that seems about right. Obviously 2060, 2070, 3070. So that will give you exactly those sort of things there. So if I go back to my nanopool here, if I scroll down, I've got those laptops there, as you can see, been running, and you can see the amount of shares submitted. I've ran this thing for like I think a month now, and we've got like that many shares submitted. Then you've got the HP Omen which I set up recently, that many shares submitted, and the Tough Dash F15. I'm running out of space to even set these up, but I was seeing if how many laptops would it take to get to 100 mega hash mining Ethereum. I've just started this thing up on this wallet, and not bad, not a little bad little return there. You can see what you get. But yeah, I know I had like another sort of rig set up, but unfortunately this is what happened. So you see this wall? These are plasterboard mounts that I had in the wall, and basically I had a motherboard connected to this thing, which is an ROG Rampage Extreme, and yeah, putting too many graphics cards on it and trying to balance them there, power supplies down there, but yeah, having too many graphics cards on this thing, it was just weighing it down. And I thought, what, let's just find another way of mounting a PC to the ceiling and then doing some crazy thing like that. But anyway, we'll touch on that on another video. But yeah, this is if you want to mine on a couple of gaming laptops, these are the sort of performances that you'll get. And I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Ace. Then like, subscribe, and if you're sitting at home, if you've got a gaming laptop, why not? You won't make much, but you make a bit. But yeah, like, subscribe, peace out.